small fraction of Earth's oceans have been explored, who knows what kind of crazy new things we still might discover today? Or did you know there are going to be over 100 million volcanoes under the ocean?
Today is to navigate the Great One Ocean Current to the Caribbean and install a booster that will keep us in contact with even more sea life. I'll be...
رجاء سحب مقبض الأمان بحرص إلى أن يتفق.
Superman is here. Oh wow, this is so cool. The planetarium I go to doesn't do this.
You're clear to dive. Here we go. That sheet of ice is called the Arctic ice pack. You might think the Arctic and Antarctic are pretty similar, but they're actually opposites in more ways than one. You mean polar opposites? For one bit, the Arctic is ocean surrounded by land, while the Antarctic is land surrounded by ocean. Ooh, look at that! Bioluminescent light. This deep underwater, bioluminescence is how most creatures communicate. I'm setting the coordinates for the first stop. Traveling in the hypersphere can be intense, so I'm going to start you with a short leg to get you acclimated. Then, we'll continue on our mission to install the booster and track the magnificent animals we've been researching. Vern, the captain, permission to drive? No, Vern, not after the last time. Oh, sea slugs. I'll be watching everything from here at the base. Engage hypercurrent to the North Atlantic. Ooh, this is my favorite part. You found a basket shark, Ceteris maximus, second largest fish in the ocean. Sharks like this one are only able to live this far north thanks to currents like the Gulf Stream bringing warm water up from the tropics. Pretty cool, right? Or warm, I guess. Okay, time to keep moving. The next leg will bring us all the way to the Caribbean. Ready, Vern? You bet, Captain. I've even got something special planned. Just a little something I've been working on. Caribbean, here we come!
Whoa! Oh my god!
Did you know corals are actually living animals and not plants? Coral reefs provide food and habitat for about 25% of all the world's fishes. Vern, you're go to dive. Oh, roger. All you need to do is plug the booster into the transponder and activate. We have a signal. Vern, that's a ping from Hannah's chip. Do you remember Hannah? Of course! Hannah was the first humpback whale we ever tagged, but we haven't heard her signal in years. Okay, team, our mission has changed. We're going to check in on Hannah. I'm walking in on her coordinates now. In the Antarctica. Antarctica! So exciting! There's no time to waste. Whoa! I'm getting flow ratings over 170 million cubic meters per second.
That is the Antarctic circumpolar current. It makes these waters notoriously choppy. This is a region ocean's currents and ecosystems.